This is the video that will finally help you fix the remote repository not found error when cloning a repository on GitHub. If your Git commands fail and you cannot clone a repo, stay with me because this will make everything very simple. Are you also facing this problem where GitHub shows remote repository not found, even though the repository exists? This usually happens when the repository URL is incorrect, your Git credentials are misconfigured, or the repository is private and you don't have access. Many people get frustrated because they cannot download code, contribute to projects, or continue development work. You may see many solutions online, but most of them are complicated. They tell you to edit config files, reset credentials, or run long terminal commands that are hard to follow. When I faced this problem, those methods wasted my time. But I fixed it with one secret, easy trick that allows Git to find and clone the repository correctly without errors. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing this easy trick, just comment down below. I will guide you clearly so anyone can follow it without confusion or risk. And for more simple GitHub and coding fixes like this, stay connected with my channel Rexish because I always share easy solutions anyone can use to solve problems fast and safely.